Hi, this is a short video for DeMauro. This is your instrument cluster now fully repaired. I repair a lot of broken solder joints included on the voltage regulator. I only left one of the jumpers that was previously done in there because it's a solid connection, so I didn't want to mess with that. Now, as you can see, both gauges, temperature and fuel level are working properly. I'm going to go down to a lower reading, so you're going to see your temperature warning level, warning message. As soon as it reaches a little over 3/4, that will start blinking, and that is the normal procedure. We can see that both gauges are going up, and now, as you can see, it's now blinking, and they're reaching pretty much maximum reading, which is perfect. I'm going to go down. Also, your RPM gauge is also working 100%. I'll send you pictures of the repair, pretty much everything that was done. I can actually power this off. Let me just let the needles go to rest. I can show you here in a second. We will see this as soon as the gauges go to rest position. I get the power completely off, and I can remove this needle, this gauge in here. Let me just get this out 1 second. I'll be right back. Actually, I'm not sure if I can pause this. Let me just try to do it with the one hand. Yeah, I can do it. All right, you'll see the test and that's the repair here. You were having a jumper, a very ugly repair here, and all those pins were completely cracked, broken. So I repaired all that, and it's all good, as you saw in the video. Again, just a short video, give you an update. I'll be calling you shortly to collect payment and then send the cluster Monday morning. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye-bye.